Now this reaction is really simple. It only produces three things: water, oxygen gas, and heat. The heat is formed from the breaking of the bonds within the hydrogen peroxide molecule, and the oxygen gas is trapped in the dish soap, which forms the foam, so we can see how far the reaction has progressed.
Here's a fun question about kind of the different experiments you did in your pageantry experience. So Ashley W. wants to know, what other experiments did you think about doing before deciding on the elephant toothpaste that wowed the nation and got you that beautiful tiara as Miss America 2020?
I didn't have a lot of other ones that I considered, other than one called Genie in a Bottle, which is also the catalytic decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, but it shows in a very different way because you use a different catalyst. And it creates this smoke that comes out of the flasks, which is really, really cool. It looks like a genie coming out of a bottle. But the problem was, when I was thinking about disposing of this, right? How would I clean it up? I would need to actually put those materials in a hazardous material disposal bin to have them, discarded properly. I couldn't throw them in the regular trash. Well, that was a logistical problem going to Miss America, because I probably wouldn't have access to something like that. And the cool thing about Elephant's toothpaste, in the way that I do it, you can just wash it right down the drain, and it's safe for the environment. And one of the key reasons why I chose Elephant's toothpaste, and as you saw the progression of those photos, was it was relatively easy, but I could make it really large. I didn't know how to do that originally, so I was looking for alternatives. But once I figured out how to tailor it so it could be really large and colorful, I didn't need to consider anything else at that point. I was like, this is my go-to. And it's so fun.